I'm Dencho. This is my IK body. Yeah, yeah. Tried to fix the IK positions and make it look a little bit more natural. Look, you can turn around and make the booty jiggle. Yeah, yeah. Jiggle. Yep. My hands. You can push down the grips. The point. You got touch sensors going. All the defaults. You could push everything down, make a fist. You can wave your hands around like you just don't care. And you can put down your controllers. Okay. And then hand tracking. There we go. Yeah. These are my real hands. I'm not holding a controller. See that? Yeah. Fingers. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. This is a turnaround test. And I'm gonna turn back the other way. Whee! Okay, and that's it. Great.